This is plank challenge for 4 participants here. They are taking challenge today. They are 5 minutes target, and this is 4 participants here. They are very strong and energetic student, so they take this challenge for long time. Plank exercise, you know, plank is very important exercise for our bicep, tricep, deltoid, trapezius, and also our rectus abdominis muscle. Here they participate for prove their ability to do free hand exercise. And here now 3 participants left to do this exercise, and someone takes some mistakes to violate doing their illegal activities of plank position. So we are very excited. Who is the first person to take long time this exercise? This exercise is very important. Everywhere you can do this exercise. This plank competition is not for the beginner. Who will be able to do long time this exercise and regularly doing exercise, they can do this exercise. However, I told you, if you want to develop your body strong, energetic, and want to make a good muscle, especially our belly and hand muscle, that means bicep, tricep, deltoid, trapezius, also work at a time in this exercise is very important, not only for sportsmen but also all the peoples who are interested to make their body good and healthy. So please try to do this exercise in your home and take a good health. Thank you very much to see these challenge videos.